Welcome. In this 60-second Python tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to sum all elements in a list. First, we are declaring a list named YouTube. Note, the list should only contain integers. We are now going to use a built-in function named sum to sum all the numbers in a list. We are now going to store the sum value of the list in a variable named result. Now, we are going to print the sum of the list. Let's run the code. The sum of the list is 15. Which is correct. Now, we are going to change one list element and see the results. Now, it's showing 85.